In this video, I will show you how to install Bitrix24 on Windows. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and you will then see your usual dashboard. On the left part of your screen is your menu list, and on the top right corner, you can locate your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will show up. From there, find and click on Bitrix24 for Windows. It will redirect you to another page where you can see the download option. Click on the install button and it will automatically start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, click on Open File from your browser or go to your Downloads folder to open it manually. The installation prompt will appear on your screen. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the setup to finish, and once it's done, click on Finish to close the window. Now, go to your computer's desktop or search bar and look for the Bitrix24 app. Launch it and the application will open with the license agreement. Read through it and click on Agree to continue. After that, you will be redirected to the login screen. Enter your Bitrix24 account credentials to access your account directly from the desktop application. Once logged in, your Bitrix24 app will open, and you can now manage your workspace, messages, and tasks right from your desktop without opening a browser. And that's how to install Bitrix24 on Windows.